Hey y'all. One of the things I'm most proud of in the development of Svalboard is the architecture I've built for flexible key cluster design. This is an example of a prototype cluster that I've been experimenting with that adds an additional south key in exchange for the outer keys. And what's significant about this is it lets us explore a range of different options for things that are sort of beyond the original Datahand architecture, which I know and love and have used for 20 years, but we believe it's always possible to improve things. So I'm really curious to see how these prototypes will work out when we actually get them fully fabricated. I'm waiting on the circuit boards to come back right now. But if it's possible to add additional keys to the south that are also really usable, it might open up things like dedicated mouse keys that don't need any layering, or potentially just more keys for people who are interested in gaming stuff where you want a lot of keys on one hand and so forth. So what's really fun about this prototype is that I was able to create this in the course of, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half of work from my existing architecture, because I've gone to great lengths to parameterize the entire system. So you can change the forces of the keys by printing different offsets in the magnets. You can change the heights of the keys themselves so that you have a different fit for the fingertips. You can change the thicknesses of them. And of course, you can change how many of them there are and where they are. That takes a bit more work. Of course, it requires a circuit board that has to go in the back here. But it really lets us experiment with a ton of different options, and I've had a real blast making this stuff. It's been a wonderful training tool for me as I become a better CAD engineer as well. So I just wanted to share this. It's the same ASMR experience as every other Svalboard cluster. There's lots of wonderful clicky sounds to be had, but I thought people might find this fun to see.